Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to set the deployment name in Rocky Linux 9 operating system. So a deployment name is nothing but in a development stage, that is in software development, there are many phases, that is analysis, development, testing, production. So each phase requires separate environment. So you can classify the environment or classify the server using this deployment command. So this is the command hostnamectl set hyphen deployment space. So I am giving this as a development box, okay, which means this is a development environment. So you can classify the computers or servers or workstations by giving the appropriate deployment name. So you can delete the deployment name like giving the empty quotes. It will delete the deployment name. So but I need some deployment name, so I am giving as a staging environment. Yes. So this is the way you can set the deployment name in Rocky Linux 9 operating system.